Hi family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu we have pepper, sausage, and onion. And these are the ingredients. I have smoked sausage. You can use any sausage you like, but I have smoked sausage. Here I took a shortcut and I've used the pepper stir fry, the frozen. But you can cut it fresh, that's even better. I have chicken broth, a little bit of white wine, dried parsley, extra virgin olive oil. I have just a pinch of fennel seeds, black pepper, salt, stewed tomatoes. I have tomato paste. Let's get started. Okay, in my pan, which I have heating up, I'm going to add my sausages. And water. About halfway the sausage. Not quite, a little less than that, that's fine. And I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm going to turn it up and I'm going to bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it down to medium. I'm going to let it cook slowly, let the water cook out, and then it's going to start to brown. The oil is going to start to fry them. And you turn it over maybe 2 or 3 times until the casing is brown and crispy. I'll be back when that's happened. This is the rapid boil you want. Then you'll turn it down to medium. This is how they look when they're cooked down. Now we're going to remove them from the pan and add our other ingredients. In the same pan, we're going to add a little bit more oil. And it's kind of warm, but it'll cool down. And our fennel seeds. If you never had them, they taste like black licorice. So if you don't like them, I wouldn't put them in there. Let me scrape these goods from the bottom. Turn it up a little bit. We're going to add the peppers and onions. And we're going to cook these down until they're nice and soft. We're going to add some salt. Some pepper. And some tomato paste. Bring it down a little. A little more. I'm going to add my white wine. and some chicken stock. And I'm going to add some stewed tomatoes. Bring the heat back up. Those tomatoes brought the heat down. Add a few more tomatoes. Taste it to see if it needs more salt. We're going to have to let that cook a little bit. I'm going to add a little more chicken broth to cook a little bit. We're going to cover it and let it thicken. And I'm going to add a little more salt. And I'll be back. So now it's gotten a little thick. But I thought I should tell you, I gave it a little tweak. While going through my cabinet, I realized I had some tomato bouillon. And I added a little bit to it. And it really gave it another good layer of flavor. So if you have some, it's tomato bouillon. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Okay, I've cut my sausages. And I'm going to add them back into the dish. And I made some white rice that I'm going to put this over top of. I'm going to let it cook another about 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'm going to plate it up. And add my parsley. And I'm going to stir it. And now I'm going to plate it up. And here you are, peppers, sausage, and onions. Pretty delicious. And remember, before you sit down to eat this meal, pray. And pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them, pray for you, pray for us, pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, my friends, be well.